If you're in a hurry and want to book an event quickly without the multi-step wizard, you can use EventPro's new quick event booking form. On the venue calendar, right-click the selected cell and select Event, New Quick Event. You only need to fill in 4 fields in the quick event entry form, and some already have default options selected. The required fields are Client, Status, Event Name, and Event Manager. Click OK, and your event is booked in a snap. You also have the option to add more details. Let's go through the form again. The client is selected from your CRM, but you could create a new account on the fly. Status defaults in from setup, but you can select another. Enter the event name. You can optionally select an event category, event subcategory, and event template, all of which come from your EventPro setup. You can enter a predicted attendance number. A group discount would default in if set for the client CRM account, but you can also select a discount from the dropdown. The event manager will also default in from setup, but you can select a different user. If you don't want to use the default setup type for the selected location, you can uncheck the checkbox and choose another option from the dropdown. Similarly, if you don't want to use the default setup and teardown times, or the function start and function end times from setup, you can manually change them. Click OK when finished. The event will appear on the venue calendar. Double-click to view the event screen and make changes as required. That concludes our overview of EventPro's new quick event action. Please reach out to our solutions team for a more detailed demonstration of EventPro Software's many features.